not there to start. Okay, not a big I'm not sure if you can hear me. It's raining heavily. So all the plans have to be cancelled and we need to be in the hotel or go chill out somewhere in the mall. Temperatures have also really dropped from 6 degrees to 1 degrees and they're expecting snow at this time or during the night. So let's see how the day goes, but I'll keep you posted if I go to the mall or anywhere else. Look what we have got here. We have the real Santa now. Check out how beautiful the fountains look. Amazing. So as you can see, the whole floor here is just food court. They have a lot of food courts here with different delicacies.
Bir tane de
So I had nothing much to do today because of the heavy rains which we have today in Istanbul. So all the plans which we had for today had to be cancelled. So I just came over to the mall. This is the third mall I think I'm going around. So I have come to Istanbul to explore all the malls. So I'll be just going around, have my lunch and see what's next if the rain stops. If it doesn't stop, I'll just have to go back to the hotel. Maybe, I don't know what. Okay, so I'm already back at the hotel, but this is the actual situation. The rain has not stopped since morning. Now I'm heading inside to wrap up today's vlog. Okay guys, so that's it for today. I'll see you tomorrow. Ciao.